I'm reviewing these MEETSUN sunglasses, and thank you so much to the seller for sending these to me. So I'm going to show you what they look like here. But if you are looking for a good pair of sunglasses, then I would definitely recommend checking these out. This is a 3-pack, so it's a great value for the cost in my opinion. So here's how they come. They do have their own individual packaging, which I really like. And then you do also have a carrying case. So it does come with a large one. You'll have a little card, so once you put them on, then you can see a design with it. So I really like that. And then you do also have a cleaner. So it really comes with everything that you need, and they have a really soft material, so really durable, and they have the really pretty front. So this is such a stylish and trendy pair of sunglasses that is perfect if you maybe want to keep some in different places. If you're anything like me, having a pair in the car, maybe at the house, in your purse. I go out on the lake, so having an extra pair on my boat is so helpful, so then you never have to worry about not having your sunglasses. So here is what they look like on. They look so nice. Things that I personally look for in sunglasses is making sure that they are straight. I have never liked sunglasses that maybe go to one side or the other, so these fit really nicely behind my ears, so I really love that if you're anything like me. And look at that. So another thing that I love about this style is that you can put them on your head really easily, and then your hair won't get stuck. Here's what it looks like on the inside. So it has really good nose pieces as well, and then really thick on both sides too. So I love that. That's the leopard. And then here's the ombre one. So I love the different designs, and it fits really nicely. They are level as well, so I really like these. So here is what the other leopard one looks like. So again, this has the very good and level style. To give you a look at what the lenses look like, so here is the little icon that they give you, and then whenever you do put it over, then you can see the full shape here. So that gives you an idea is without and then with it. So it has really good lenses to it. If you are looking for a great pair of sunglasses with this style that comes with the 3-pack, it is a very good solid design. They fit really well, super comfortable. Then I would absolutely recommend checking these out, and I hope that you enjoy just as much as I do.